Want to know why 92% of New Year's resolutions fail? Because you've been lied to about how real change happens. Look, I get it. You want to transform your life, get fit, learn a new skill, start a business. But here's the thing, you're probably going about it all wrong. Today I'm going to show you the science-backed method that helped me become 37.78 times better at everything I do. Not through motivation, not through willpower, but through something much more powerful. Stay tuned, because this might be the most important video you watch this year. You've probably heard that it takes 21 days to form a habit, right? Well, that's completely wrong. Scientific research shows it can take anywhere from 18 to 254 days. But here's what's crazy. The time doesn't actually matter. What matters is the system you use. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Here's the principle. Tiny changes, when compounded, lead to remarkable results. Let me break that down with some mind-blowing math. If you get just 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll end up 37.78 times better than when you started. That's not a typo, it's the power of compound growth. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people focus on goals, but successful people focus on systems. Think about it. Every Olympic athlete had the goal of winning gold. What separated the winners wasn't their goals, it was their systems. Let me share a personal story. 3 years ago, I was struggling to wake up early. Every morning was a battle with the snooze button. Then I discovered the 4 laws of atomic habits. Law number 1, make it obvious. Instead of relying on willpower, I placed my workout clothes next to my bed and preset my coffee maker. The key is to make your cues unavoidable. Law number 2, make it attractive. I paired my morning routine with something I loved, listening to my favorite podcast while making breakfast. This created what scientists call temptation bundling. Law number 3, make it easy. I started with just putting on my workout clothes and stepping outside for 2 minutes. That's it. No pressure to exercise, just dress and step outside. This is what I call the 2-minute rule. Law number 4, make it satisfying. I used a habit tracker app and gave myself a small reward each week I stayed consistent. Your brain needs immediate rewards to form lasting habits. But here's where most people mess up. They try to change everything at once. It's like trying to lift 300 pounds when you've never been to the gym. You'll fail and probably hurt yourself in the process. Instead, focus on atomic habits, tiny changes that are almost laughably easy. Want to read more? Start with 1 page per day. Want to get fit? Start with 1 push-up. Want to meditate? Start with 1 breath. Let me show you how this works in practice. Current habit plus new habit equals habit stack. After I pour my morning coffee, I will read 1 page. After I finish dinner, I will do 1 push-up. After I brush my teeth, I will take 1 deep breath. These might seem ridiculously small, but that's exactly why they work. Small habits are like the compound interest of self-improvement. And just like investing money, the longer you stick with it, the bigger the returns. But here's the real secret, and this is something most people miss completely. The goal isn't to read 1 page or do 1 push-up. The goal is to become the type of person who reads daily or exercises regularly. It's about identity change, not just behavior change. This is why most people fail at their New Year's resolutions. They try to achieve an outcome without changing their identity. They want the gold medal without becoming an athlete. They want the successful business without becoming an entrepreneur. The formula for lasting change is identity, systems, outcomes, not the other way around. Let me give you a concrete example. When I started this YouTube channel, I didn't focus on getting subscribers. Instead, I focused on becoming someone who creates valuable content consistently. I built systems around research, scripting, and editing. The subscribers came as a natural result of that identity change. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about when life gets in the way? That's where the concept of habit tracking comes in, but not in the way you might think. Never miss twice. That's the rule. You can miss 1 day of your habit, but never 2 in a row. This simple rule has been a game changer for me and thousands of others. Remember, success is not about dramatic changes. It's about tiny improvements, consistently applied. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. And here's the most powerful part. These principles work for breaking bad habits too. Just reverse the laws. Make it invisible, remove triggers, make it unattractive, associate it with negative thoughts. Make it difficult, increase friction. Make it unsatisfying, add immediate consequences. The beauty of atomic habits is that they work whether you believe in them or not. Just like gravity, these are laws of behavior change that operate independently of your awareness of them. So here's your challenge. Pick one tiny habit you want to build. Make it so small it seems ridiculous. Then apply the 4 laws we discussed. Remember, you're not just trying to achieve a goal, you're trying to become someone new. Start today. Start small. Start now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so it will push it out to more people. Get going now. Your future self will thank you.